So auto ducking is basically what you're going to use to help you get your music, which is what this top track is, underneath your podcast, which this is my podcast right here on the bottom, and this is the music, my intro music that I have. Now, you need to make sure that your music or whatever it is that you're going to duck is on top of the words or whatever it is you're ducking it underneath. Okay, then you're going to go up to effects, and it's auto ducks right up here up on top. With auto duck, the thing that you're doing is you're basically minimizing it. So you have your words, they're going to be at -123 decibels. And as you can see by the graph here, the music or whatever else is going to be going at -15 decibels underneath the recorded words. I like mine, for my podcast, I go -26 decibels. So that's a little bit more. Some people like it more, some people like it less. Most podcasts and the average is -15. So, you can start and play with it from there. Also, this time, this max pause 1 second, and I'm going to show you this right now. If you have a breath or a pause that's longer than 1 second, the auto duck will stop and will fade back up. So as you can see right here, there's a pause that's a little bit longer than 1 second, and the music comes back up. So to easily fix that, you just undo, go back in, change the maximum pause to say 1.5 seconds. I am going to leave the duck amount to -15 decibels. Like I said, on my podcast, I do -26, but you can change it to whatever you like. And okay, there you go. It's now -15 decibels. It stays ducked all the way down through the end of the intro music, which is how I want it. It starts out strong. When I start talking right here at 3 seconds to do my intro words, the music ducks down behind it. I have music, and it's perfect. And that is how you do auto ducking in Audacity.